Okay, now this is the standing up. As you can see, we are standing. We are standing and we are going to be looping. You guys ready for this? Standing and looping. I think the best part of this is maybe the looping, not necessarily the standing. So let's go. Oh my God, here we go. We're standing and looping. Oh, I am standing and I have just looped. Oh, that's how you stand and you loop at the same time. Standing and looping. Oh, whee. Such a fun, awesome ride. Same track, two different trains. Woo! Okay, here we are riding the sit-down version of the standing and loop coaster. So we're sitting and looping. All right, here we go. Sitting and looping. Not standing and looping. That was the other side. For the other train. Oh my God. Sitting and looping! We sat, we looped. Oh, now we're helixing. Oh, it's another kind of sitting and loop. I love this coaster. Here we go. Standing and looping. Ah, crap. Oh, we're standing. Oh, and we are looping. We have looped. Oh, and we are now helixing and standing. Oh, it is a complete standing and loop, and we are very happy. Oh my gosh. Oh. Incredible.